My name is Mitch Braff. I'm the founder and CEO of LiquidView. We make the most realistic digital windows in the world. We really transform people's lives and spaces by allowing people to put an architecturally accurate digital window in practically any room in their home or in their office. You had a residential customer who wanted to get one of our panorama windows. He's a really good guy and seems very excited about this.
I am John Michael Kirkman. I'm 72, retired for about 9-10 years. I'm about living in the now.
I know Livewire is an amazing integrator. We were so stoked about that because it was actually our first sale in Virginia.
When I contacted LiquidView, I said, well, like, who can put this in? And LiquidView and Livewire, I think, had recently inked a relationship. So I called them and the rest is history.
We were pretty excited to bring this product out there and to work with Livewire to really bring it to more of your customers.
They were great. I mean, once we got it going, it was magnificent. And when there was a problem, they have a help desk, and all you do is say, I've got one screen out. Within, 20 minutes, the help desk is on it, and they get it back to working again. It's really easy.
If someone is interested in this, they should go to our friends at Livewire, call them up, and get some information.
I got a lot of input from LiquidView, a lot of input from Livewire. Everybody was great. And we put it in about, it's been in now 5 weeks. It's fantastic. Yeah, it is everything and more than I thought it would be. When you're 72 years old, you're not the swiftest technology person in the world, so it can't be too complicated.